reality. You're my
Ilang minuto lang ang sakramento ng matrimonyo, pero ang epekto panghabang buhay. Mawala na ang inyong buhay bilang binata, bilang dalaga. Magmula ngayon, matapos kayong ikasal, mamuhay na kayo bilang mag-asawa sa buong buhay niyo hanggang sa kayo'y mamatay.
choose you. In 100 worlds I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will when the sky is falling.
Andyan sana yung tunay na nag-udyok sa inyo para magpakasal dahil kayo'y nag-iibigan. Kaya Jason at Grace, itong inyong pag-iibigan at pagmamahalan sa isa't isa ay maging katulad sana sa pag-ibig ng Diyos na talagang tapat at pang magpakailanman.
This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our
Jason, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib sa Myla Grace na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
'cause He'd choose us. In
Myla Grace, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jason na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
And we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will when the sky turns black and He comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.